Hey guys, it's Tyler from Paratacsurvival.com. It's getting dark, it's getting cold, it's time to make a fire. Let's show you how. This is one of our many products we have on our website, Paratacsurvival.com. It's a Firepak. Whistle on the outside. Let me show you what's some of the stuff that's in it. Inside our Firepaks you're going to get a ferro rod, carbon steel scraper, a can opener, P38, and a tinder. 2 of them, to be exact. Let's do a demonstration. Alright guys, it's getting dark, it's getting cold. We need to make a fire. Let's go ahead and break up our tinder a little bit on the dry side there. That's where we're going to be aiming to throw our spark. I'm going to set that down in there. I'll grab our can opener. Put our fire rod inside of our can opener, if you'd like. That's what I do. It helps hold it. Now we're ready to throw some sparks. Let's see how long it goes. Survival Dude here, showing you our latest product that we have available, Paratacsurvival.com. Just go ahead and check it out. A couple different colors. We'll go with contents are all the same right now. Help you survive or whatever situation you might need it in. Thanks for checking us out. Go ahead and hit the link. Go to the site in the description there. Thanks a lot. (9:06). Guys, we've been going for 4 minutes here. 4 minutes. I don't really know any other tinder that's going to do that for you right now for that long. And I hadn't even added anything to it. Now let's go ahead and add some little bit of twigs to it and get that going, guys. I put these in the packs. We put these in the packs at Paratacsurvival Survival because we trust them. We use them. And we want you to use them. We wouldn't put them in there unless we trusted them. We just saw that tinder burn for 4 minutes solid. And we added nothing to it. We didn't put any twigs on it. Nothing. We put these in the packs because we have tried them, we've tested them over and over again. You get 2 of them and a regular fire pack or a survival pack. We also have tinder packs. They will have 4. In a survival situation, to make fire is very important. This is Tyler signing off, Paratacsurvival.